Guess who's all tied up now? Looks like you won't be going anywhere, Mr. Big Boss.
Oh God, when you can give me those 10 likes on my last selfie? Why can't you just give me one signal bar here? Oh yeah, God, you are great.
Don't worry, we'll find them. Just sleep. Hello? Joy?
Uncle, I'll explain everything to you later. But we have got the wood smugglers. They are tied up like burritos and we need police. I'm sending you my location.
Wait, smugglers? Hang there. I'm coming there with police.